900 kilograms of 86 seed species, more than 40,000 trees planted, only one Earth.
2,000 fruit trees and food trees planted, over 50 communities impacted, only one Earth.
Over 177,000 kilograms of plastic waste collected and recovered, over 25,000 volunteers of all ages, only one Earth.
The 1,500 volunteers we've had come to help transform these 8 acres back into a functioning agricultural land.
8,357 trees planted so far. Only one Earth.
1,380 technical solutions to protect the environment in an economically profitable way. Millions of corporations who can use them, and they must because there's only one Earth.